Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about two related topics, frugal living and minimalism. These are both lifestyle choices that can help you save money, reduce clutter, and live a more fulfilling life. So, whether you're trying to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or just simplify your life, this video is for you. First, let's talk about frugal living. Frugal living is all about living below your means and making conscious choices about how you spend your money. This doesn't mean being cheap or depriving yourself of things you enjoy. It means being intentional with your spending and prioritizing what's important to you. One of the best ways to practice frugal living is by creating a budget. This will help you keep track of your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. You can also look for ways to save money on things like groceries, transportation, and entertainment. For example, you can cook at home instead of eating out, carpool or use public transportation instead of driving alone, and find free or low-cost activities in your community. Now, let's talk about minimalism. This doesn't mean living in a bare, empty space. It means surrounding yourself with things that bring you joy and purpose, and getting rid of the rest. One of the best ways to practice minimalism is by decluttering your home. This can be a daunting task, but it's incredibly freeing once you start to let go of things you no longer need or want. You can start small by decluttering one room at a time, or you can go all in and do a complete purge. The key is to be intentional with what you keep and to donate or sell the rest. So there you have it, our take on frugal living and minimalism. These are both powerful lifestyle choices that can help you live a more meaningful life. By being intentional with your spending and your belongings, you can save money, reduce clutter, and focus on what truly matters. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.